In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade on BitGet. Before I do though, I first want to say a couple of things. The first is that if you don't already have an account with BitGet by chance, I'll leave a sign up link down in the video description where you can save 20% on your trade fees. The second is that if you haven't already funded your BitGet account, I've made a video showing the best way to fund your BitGet account in Canada. I'll leave a link to that video in this video description. The last is that this video will be on the spot market only. I'll be making other videos showing how to trade on BitGet and their other features that they offer. This video will focus on the basics of placing limit and market orders for both the buy and sell side. With all of that said, let's get started. So right now I'm on the home screen of BitGet, and what I want to do is hover over trade and then click on spot. After, it'll take me to the trade dashboard. By default, it'll be the BTC/USDT trade pair, which you can see over here. That said, you'll first want to actually select the correct market that you're interested in trading. So let's just say that I'm interested in trading Bitcoin with USDC. So I'm going to go over here and select USDC and look for BTC and click on it. And when I do, it'll change the market. So this is where I'm actually interested in trading on. So over here is pretty much where we want to focus on in terms of placing the trades. So right now it's on the buy tab and limit is selected. So a limit order is basically asking at what price would I like to buy Bitcoin at. So let's just say that I'm interested in buying Bitcoin at 27,000. So I'm just going to enter that in right over here, $27,000 per coin. And after, it's going to ask me to enter in the quantity or the total amount of USDC that I'd like to purchase. All I need to do is enter one number in one box and the other number will automatically change. So let's just say, as an example, I want to buy 0.001 BTC, and as you can see, this number here automatically changes to 27. Or conversely, let's just say I'm interested in buying 10 USDC worth of BTC. So I can take this out and just type in 10. And as you can see, this box here automatically changes as well. So let's just say I like what I see and I want to buy 10 USDC worth of Bitcoin at 27,000 and it'll give me this much. I like what I see, so I'm going to click on the buy BTC button. And when I do, you can see that there is my limit order over here. So this is pretty much what a limit order is. It's basically saying that if the price of Bitcoin goes to 27,000, then I will be purchasing 10 USDC worth, and this is how many I will get for BTC. So that's a limit order. But let's just say that I'm interested in buying the Bitcoin right now at the current price. So the first thing I'm going to do is just kind of cancel this. And the next thing I'm going to do is make sure it's on the buy tab, click on market. And basically it's saying that I can buy BTC at the market price. And this is all based on the sell side order book. So whatever price is the first one on the sell side order book is pretty much the best price that I can get it for. So 27,566 is the best price if I were to place that buy order right now. So as an example, let's just say I'm interested in buying 10 USDC worth of Bitcoin. So I like what I see and I'm going to click on buy BTC. So if I click on it, it'll give this pop-up menu over here, and it's just saying this is a market order, and I'm going to click on don't remind me again, and I'm going to click on confirm. And there you go. I've just bought 10 USDC worth of Bitcoin. As you can see, I've just bought the Bitcoin over here. So that's pretty much how we can place both limit and market orders on the buy side. Now let's take a look at how we can place these orders on the sell side. So I'm going to go back up over here and click on the sell tab and click on limit. So just like before, a limit order, but on the sell side, is at what price am I willing to to sell my Bitcoin at. So let's just say I'm wanting to sell Bitcoin at $28,000. So this means if the price of Bitcoin goes to this, then I will be selling my Bitcoin. So just like before, I can enter in the amount of Bitcoin that I'd like to sell, or I can sell a dollar amount of Bitcoin. So as an example, if I select, let's just say 9 USDC, that will be how much Bitcoin at this price. Or if I decide to sell all of my Bitcoin 100%, then this is how much I will be getting. Now, the reason why it is a little bit lower than before is because I only have 0.00035 BTC compared to what was bought. And over here, as you can see, there's still a little bit of Bitcoin. So that's exactly why it doesn't exactly equate to above $10, even though the price is higher. But basically, if I wanted to sell all of this Bitcoin at $28,000, I would then click on this button over here, sell BTC. And as you can see, I've just placed a limit order. And just like before, if the price hits $28,000, then all of my Bitcoin, or this much Bitcoin, will be sold, and this is how much I will get. So I'm going to just kind of cancel that, and that's for a limit order. Now, again, just like before, let's just say you're interested in selling your Bitcoin at the current price. You don't want to wait around, you want to sell it now. And this is where market orders come in. So you're going to click on market, and then you're going to either select the amount of BTC or a dollar figure of BTC that you'd like to sell. So for myself, I'm interested in just kind of selling all of it. So I'm just going to click on 100%. I like what I see. And then I'm going to click on sell BTC. And there we go. I've just sold all of it. So that's pretty much how you can sell your Bitcoin immediately through a market order. Now, in normal circumstances, you ideally would like to buy the coins for cheaper than what you sell them for. In this video, I did the opposite. I sold it lower than what I had bought it for. But that's all right, because this is just for demonstration purposes only. Hope you learned something, and thanks for watching.